Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on the application of Amazon Shopping. You will click on settings. In this list, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will go to design and you will write the name of Amazon Shopping and then you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.